Have you ever been in charge of organizing something like a trip, a potluck, a group project for a large group of people, and it ended up being kind of a cluster because it was hard to keep all the updates in one place and having everybody talk to each other and not have two people claim the same thing? Well, that ends today. Today's tip comes to you directly from my personal life. I helped my husband implement this for work, and it absolutely blew his mind. And then it blew all of his coworkers' mind, and it made them all so happy because it saved them a ton of time and a ton of back and forth. So whether you're coordinating family or coworkers, this simple skill can make your life so much easier. I'm gonna teach you how to create a shareable list. We're gonna look at two different tools today. We're gonna look at Google Docs and then Apple Notes. Depending on what your preferences are, you can use both or either. You'll learn how to create a really simple checklist in either of those tools. We'll show you a few little tricks how to format it and make it look really nice. And then you'll learn how to share that document with others, giving them editing access so that everybody can collaborate and work together on a live document that doesn't have to be emailed back and forth. It just gets saved in real time. You're gonna learn how to use a single document as a single source of truth, so everyone is on the same page, literally. Now, if you have a Gmail, you have access to Google Docs. You could just go to docs.google.com to get there, or you could go ahead and click inside of your Google Suite apps. If you go here, and then Drive is where you're gonna see all of your files, but scroll down to Docs, and that will open it up for you. Let's say I am the organizing parent at my kids' school to organize all of the parents' volunteer opportunities and what they're gonna bring. So I create a Google Doc called Spring Fling Job Signup. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a few categories of things that need to be done. All right, these are my categories. And then I'm gonna add the specific jobs that need to happen and leave a space for people to sign up with their name. Okay, I've added all of my jobs. Now, before I send this to everyone, I'm gonna just format it a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight these different sections so that they are in different colors. Okay, great. This is ready to share with the rest of the parents. Now, if you can look up here, and it has a locked private only to me. So if I share this, not only will people not be able to open it, they won't be able to edit it. So I'm gonna click share. I need to make sure that I have named this. See how it says untitled document? That means I haven't named my file yet. It's gonna prompt me. And then I can specifically type in emails here that I want to add if I know all the emails. But the easier option is to come down here to general access, click this, click on anyone with the link. And then if I just want people to view something, this is fine. But I want people to be able to add their own names. So I'm gonna update to editor. Then all I have to do is hit copy link and send that link in an email, and everybody will be able to open it and add their name to the job they want to do. Okay, let's create a shared note. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Notes app and then click on New Note. Now I'm going to create whatever the thing is that I want to share. For me, I'm going to be creating a shared camping list so that when I check off something and then my husband checks off something, we're working on the same list, working smarter, working together. All right, I've got my list. It's pretty comprehensive. And now we both know what's going on. So now I need to share it with him. I'm going to hit that little up arrow at the top. Now, if you want to specifically collaborate with somebody who is already in your phone contacts, you can adjust here so it says collaborate. So you can both work on it. If you just want them to see a copy, you would hit send copy, but I want to collaborate. And then I'm going to open up my messages and I'm going to send it to him in a message. Once you share to somebody in a message, they are automatically added as a user to that note. Now I've shared this with him, and anytime I make an update, it will automatically update for him. I can also track and see what he's done, what edits I've made, and what edits he's made. And if I ever needed to stop sharing, I would just open it up here, hit share options, and then adjust here. Today's quick tip is all about working with people, not around them. A shared list like this is a really simple tool, but it can build real-life communication and accountability. Again, it's gonna save you a lot of time and frustration. So whether you're managing a house or managing a work project, this skill will translate beautifully into a lot of different parts of your life. And it's gonna make you look like the calm, capable one who has everything under control. I'll see you in our next tip.